Hello, I'm Thomas Hernandez from Clean with Confidence, and today's video falls under the category of mop maintenance, specifically how to clean your mop once you're finished using it. So the inspiration for this video came from a comment I received the other day. It's from a Miss Ariana, and it reads, "I hate touching the mop. Any suggestions? Also, how can I clean the mop? ... It always seems dirty. Keyboard emoji." Well, Miss Ariana, thanks so much for the comment. This video is for you. Stick around and I'm going to show you how to clean that mop with confidence. Alright, so we've used our mop. Now it's time to clean it. Can we do a little dance? First thing you need to do is fill your bucket up with hot water. Get it as hot as your hands can stand. Now to clean this mop, it's a two-part process. First, we're going to remove the grease, cat pee, dirt, whatever you mopped up. We're going to clean this mop out and get all that stuff out, and we're going to use Dawn dish soap to do so. After we do that, part two of this process is to disinfect the mop and kill the germs and the bacteria, and we're going to do that with bleach. You can use vinegar if you'd like, but nothing kills germs and bacteria better than some good old-fashioned bleach. So we've got our bucket of hot water. You don't fill it all the way up, you fill it about halfway up. Now what we do is we add our Dawn dish soap. So, just like that. Now what you do is you stick your mop down inside the bucket, spin it a little bit like this, and then you're going to hit the bottom of the bucket and you're going to pull up and spin. Just like that. Hit the bottom of the bucket, pull up and spin. Hit the bottom, pull up and spin. Do this some more. Hit the bottom, pull up and spin. Hit the bottom, pull up and spin. And just do this 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever you feel comfortable with. We're just rinsing the mop out here. Now we wring it out, and we're going to get a fresh bucket of water and do the exact same thing. We're going to do it at least one more time, but you can do it 2, even 3 more times if you'd like. Round number 2 of grease and cat pee removal. Got our hot water, put our Dawn dish soap in there. Let's rinse our mop. Alright, that's it. Now part 2 of this process is to kill the germs and the bacteria and disinfect the mop. All you do, fill your bucket back up with hot water, and we're going to put bleach in the water. So just spray a good amount of bleach, just like that. Stick your mop down in the water, and just leave it there and let it soak for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is up, spin it, and just rinse it out the way you did with the Dawn dish soap. Just like that. Now we're going to dump the water, get us a fresh bucket of water with no Dawn dish soap, no bleach. It's just going to be plain water to rinse the mop out, and then we're going to hang it dry. Got a clean bucket of water with nothing in it. Now we just rinse our mop out. The way I spin the mop real fast is you just put it like this and do like that. Now that the mop is clean, like I said, you just got to let it hang dry, and that's it. Don't put it up in the closet or don't stick it down in the bucket. Hang it somewhere and let it dry. Also, some of you might wonder, can I just stick it in the washing machine and wash it instead of doing all that? Yeah, you can, but I don't like doing that because what happens is all these little strands right here end up getting all tangled up. Okay, and then you have to sit there and untangle each one individually. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. So I don't recommend sticking it in the washer. I just recommend doing that process. Also, Ariana, you had mentioned that you don't like touching the mop whenever you're mopping. What can I do about it? Well, just invest in some rubber gloves. Go to the store, Walmart, whatever, dollar store. Get you some rubber gloves to wear, or invest in a Wringer. So you can go to like Sam's Club and get one of those yellow commercial mop buckets, and then you just, whenever you're mopping, you just stick the mop down in the water, and then you stick it up in the Wringer, and it's got one of those little black handles, and then you just kind of push it and it wrings your mop out for you, and then you don't have to touch the mop. So if you prefer, just go that route and you should be good to go. So that's it. That's how to clean the mop. Pretty straightforward. If you liked the video, give this a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.